Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 5 products that I have been loving. So it's going to be a mix of skincare, makeup, body care and hair care. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So we'll start with skincare first. So the first product is going to be the newest launch by Dot & Key, which is their tinted sunscreen. There are 3 shades, but I have the darkest 2 shades right here. So sand is the lighter one and the beige is the one I'm wearing right now in today's video. As you can see, it's given me very beautiful coverage. So these are tinted sunscreen. The formula is so good. It is so light and runny. It just blends into the skin, doesn't feel heavy at all, doesn't make me sweat, doesn't look greasy or oily at all. My skin type is dry, so I just cannot really comment on how long it keeps my skin oil free. It is a water based sunscreen, so I am assuming that it is going to work really well even if you have oily or combination skin. It is a tinted sunscreen, which means it's going to give you natural coverage. So if you go to office, college, or you are just stepping out of the house and you need some amount of coverage, this is going to be a really good product because here you are getting the benefit of a sunscreen and the benefit of a BBCC cream without the extra layer and without the extra additional step. Then it has SPF 50 PA 4 times plus, which means it's going to give you broad spectrum sun protection from both UVA and UVB rays. I really love it. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys to check it out. I'm currently really enjoying these barrier repair ceramide lip balms from Dot & Key. These have SPF 50 and PA triple plus, which means they are going to give you broad spectrum sun protection. I have 3 shades right here. These are my top favorite picks from all the shades they have. The packaging is also very nice. These come in these nice squeezy tubes with a nice applicator tip. These are very nice and easy to carry around and reapply. First I have Red Romance, which is a red color. It looks very pretty. It is very nice and sheer. Then I have Plush Pink, which is like a very nice muted pink. Lastly, I have Warm Nude, which is very beautiful mauve nude color. I really enjoy wearing them because they do not feel thick, gloopy or greasy on the lips. You just apply a light layer, and I personally really like tinted lip balms as compared to non-tinted ones because they give you some kind of color on the lips. So these are very good if you go to office. If you do not like to apply lipstick on a daily basis, you can apply them. They may not work if you have very dry chapped lips. For that, you might need an overnight lip balm, overnight lip treatment kind of product. But for maintaining your lips throughout the day, these are pretty good. These are nourishing and have a very nice, beautiful tint. They come in these beautiful colors, and there are more colors in the range. But these are my favorite colors, so I will highly recommend you guys to check them out. We have Pixi On The Glow bronzer stick right here. This is my current favorite bronzing product. It looks so beautiful. It blends in so beautifully. The color is very dark. It's going to look good on medium to deeper complexion. But if you are very dark, like more than NC55 or up, this might not show. But on me, it shows very beautiful. This is what I have on my on my forehead, around my face today. It blends and gives you such a beautiful color. It has very fine shimmer particles, but they do not look shimmery or chunky on the cheeks. It blends beautifully. It is a cream product. So if it is very hot and humid in your area, you might not enjoy that much, or you might have to top it up with a powder product. But right now, my skin is very dry. It is dry and hot here in Delhi. So I can survive wearing it. I can completely skip my blush because the color is so pretty. The packaging is so nice. I do not apply it directly on my cheeks. I take a brush, take some product, and then blend it on my skin. It just blends beautifully. It doesn't leave any streaks or nothing behind. I'll quickly show you a swatch. This is how this looks like. It is such a beautiful bronzy color. I'm absolutely in love with it. If you even if you're fairer than me, you can wear it. You can just sheer it out and this will look really pretty. If you're darker than me, you can layer it up and this will even show on your skin. I really like it. I personally love wearing bronzers all the time. But this one is hands down the best cream bronzer I have tried so far. I will highly recommend you guys to check it out. Third product is going to be this Deo Roll-On from Plum. This has Plum Body Loving Deodorant in Hawaiian Roomba. This has 4% lactic acid and 4% glycolic acid. So what it is going to do, this is going to lighten your underarm area. I had dark underarm area for a really long time. I did not care much because I hardly wear sleeveless. But there is no harm, right? This I have been using for like, this is my new bottle. I have already finished one of these and it took me good like what, 2 months to finish it up. and my underarm is so much lighter than how it used to be. This is perfect for those who have darker underarms and they do not want to put additional, like they do not want to put too much effort. So this is like two-in-one product. It is going to make your underarm area lighter and then it will make it smell good. The product itself is really nice. It smells so good. It has this tropical Hawaiian fragrance, and this is like my favorite fragrance from Plum, the Hawaiian Rumba fragrance. And I really enjoy this product. It doesn't make my underarm burn or anything. But if you have shaved your underarms freshly, I will not recommend using it because then it will make the area very, very sensitive. I use it on daily basis and this works. This actually works. This actually lightens your underarm area. You'll have to be a little patient, but I'm telling you, like this works like magic. This is hands down the best deo roll-on I have used so far. It smells good. It just keeps my skin smelling good for a longer period of time. I think I can smell it even after 6 to 7 hours, which is pretty good for a roll-on. And this just does what it says. Like it lightens your underarm area as well. So yeah, a big thumbs up from me. Must try out. So my hair type is dry. My scalp is dry and length is also dry. They become very, very dry during whenever the weather is very dry. Like right now, it is hot and dry in Delhi. There is no humidity at all, or there might be humidity, but you cannot really feel it. So the skin is dry, face is dry, hair is dry. So what I like to do, I really love using the Hydra Filling Night Cream from L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture range. This product is godsend. I have already finished one tube and this is my second tube. I really love it. It actually works like magic. I use it before going to bed on my dry hair strands. I take around a coin size of amount for my hair. My hair length is like what? Below my armpit. And this, like I take a coin size amount. I blend it on my hands. Like I'll just show you. I take around this much. This much is more than enough. I just rub my palms together and then I might just take my hair and apply it on the lens. It does not make hair greasy. It does not make them limp. It makes them smell so good. And my hair becomes tangly if they are very dry. So I really like to apply it. I in fact apply it almost daily in the night. It has hyaluronic acid, which means it's going to keep the moisture locked in your hair for a longer period of time. And it definitely makes my hair so soft and very, very nourished, like hydrated. I personally really love it and highly recommend it to you if you have dry hair, if you have dry coarse hair, or if you heat style your hair on a daily basis, or like whenever you have to style your you use heat. Use this. This is very, very good. Use it as a night product. You do not have to rinse it next day. Just leave it in your hair. I apply it almost every night or whenever my hair feels dry. I apply it to the ends and then just leave it as it is. And my hair feels so good and very, very, very nice and very manageable throughout the day, like throughout the next day. So this one is worth each penny. The tube is huge. It's going to last you months. So I'll highly recommend you guys to check it out. It is a very, very beautiful product and it actually works brilliantly if you have very dry hair. I not recommend it on like the crown area, just on the lens if you have dry or damaged hair. Yes, those were the products that I have been loving so much for the past month or maybe more than that. And I have linked all of them in the description box. If you like such videos, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making such reviews videos. And if you have tried any of these products, just share your thoughts with me in the comments box, or let me know your favorite products so that I can go ahead and give them a shot as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. And I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.